Did you know a single breath can change the story your mind is telling? And that your body listens to every chapter? In this story meditation, you'll step into a wildflower meadow where tension loosens, stress dissolves, and your whole system remembers how to be at ease. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly, letting this moment belong entirely to you. I'm Leanna, your gentle guide on this journey to emotional renewal. You step into the wildflower meadow as though crossing a threshold from effort into ease. The colors greet you first. Soft lavender, honey gold, deep rose. The petals sway in slow, rhythmic waves, as if the entire field is breathing beside you. Warm sunlight settles on your cheeks, and the air carries a delicate sweetness from blossoms opening in the morning light. You feel the ground steady beneath you, cool, firm, holding you without asking anything in return. Inhale gently. Feel your breath move like warm light through your chest. Exhale slowly. Let the exhale loosen something small, a thought, a grip, a pressure you didn't realize you were carrying. You walk further into the meadow. The grasses brush softly against your legs. Now quietly repeat this in your mind. My body is allowed to soften, even if my mind is still learning how. Inhale gently. I recognize the early signs of stress, and I meet them with compassion, not judgment. Exhale slowly. Inhale gently. I release the idea that I must stay tense to stay productive. Exhale slowly. Inhale gently. Every breath teaches my nervous system a softer way to exist. Exhale slowly. Inhale gently. It is safe for me to slow down. It is safe for me to feel. Exhale slowly. You pause in the heart of the meadow. Something inside you shifts. A new understanding. You are not here to force calm. You are here to remember it. You walk deeper into the meadow, where the flowers grow taller, their petals brushing softly against your hands and arms. The sunlight flickers through them like scattered lanterns, and the gentle breeze carries the faint, sweet scent of wildflowers. With each step, notice the rhythm of your body. Your chest rises and falls. Your shoulders soften. Your feet feel the gentle give of the earth. Everything here moves with ease. The flowers, the wind, even the dragonflies dancing lazily above the petals. And you are allowed to move with them. Inhale gently. Feel the breath travel to every corner of your body. Exhale slowly. Release all the little tensions you have been holding without noticing. A soft glow rises from the flowers. As the field brightens, you sense the tension that once clung to your mind, loosening its grip. Now quietly repeat this in your mind. Stress is not my enemy. It is a signal to return to myself, to breathe, to soften. Inhale gently. I release the need to control what I cannot. My energy is meant for presence, not pressure. Exhale slowly. Inhale gently. I allow my nervous system to reset, one slow breath at a time. Exhale slowly. Inhale gently. I let go of lingering worry, letting it flow into the meadow and be carried away by the wind. Exhale slowly. Inhale gently. I trust that my body knows how to release, and my mind is learning the same language of ease. Exhale slowly. The wildflowers seem to shimmer brighter as you move through them. Every inhalation fills you with clarity, and every exhalation takes away what no longer serves you. You reach the heart of the meadow, where the sun warms the petals, and the grasses sway in a gentle rhythm, inviting your mind and body to soften completely. Inhale gently. Let the breath rise to the crown of your head, bringing awareness and clarity. Exhale slowly. Release the last remnants of stress, tension, or worry. The meadow feels alive around you. The petals reflect golden light into your awareness, and you realize that the calm you seek is already within you, like a hidden bloom opening slowly and fully. Inhale gently. I am not defined by my stress. I am defined by how I return to calm and clarity. Exhale slowly. Inhale gently. Every release of tension teaches me the value of softness and presence. Exhale slowly. Inhale gently. I honor the way my body knows how to restore itself. Exhale slowly. Inhale gently. I choose awareness over worry, understanding over resistance, and ease over pressure. Exhale slowly. Inhale gently. I am learning to bloom in my own time, releasing what no longer serves my growth. Exhale slowly, letting the meadow absorb anything left behind. Remember, you can return to this channel whenever your mind needs stillness, your body needs softening, or your spirit needs to bloom. Inhale gently. Exhale slow. You are here. You are at ease. You are whole.